Hey you guys, I'm Cham and welcome to Cake Art by Yummies. In this video, we'll be making a chocolate caramel cake with a luscious chocolate fudge frosting and top it up with some caramel popcorn. Sounds yummy? Let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing, I'm making some caramelized cashew nut bar. For that, I'm slowly heating up the sugar, caramelizing it till it becomes amber color. Then we're gonna add the chopped nuts and set it aside. The next step is caramel sauce, and for that we are heating up some heavy cream and corn syrup together and bring it to a light boil. The cream come to a boil, take it off the heat and start caramelizing the sugar. I'm using brown sugar to enhance the caramel flavor, but of course you can use white sugar as well. Once the sugar is completely melt, I'm gonna add the cream to it and mix it well. Keep the heat on low and mix it for about a minute. Once the caramel is off the heat, cool it down to 40 to 45 degrees. Pour it to a separate container, add the butter and some salt. Use a hand mixer to emulsify it well. Then your caramel sauce is done. For the chocolate fudge, to the cold water add sugar. I have two types of sugar, dark brown and white, and add the cornstarch, the cocoa powder, and give it a good mix till everything combines. Once everything is well combined, you gotta cook it on low heat. Also, I'm adding some corn syrup here, and once you add that, gotta continuously stir it so it doesn't become lumpy, and keep stirring it till it becomes pudding sort of a consistency. Then add the butter and the chocolate and mix it all together. Mix it till there is no butter or chocolate chips left there. If you do find some lumps here and there, of course you can strain it, transfer it to a container. Then you need to chill it for a couple of hours. So on with the Swiss meringue buttercream. On a bain-marie, add the sugar and the egg whites. Mix it well. Then when it slowly start to heat up, you need to start continuously whisk it. If you don't whisk it and if you leave it alone, it'll become egg omelette. You don't want that. So start continuously whisk it till it becomes marshmallowy and sticky, and you need to see if all the sugar granules are melted. Transfer your egg mixture to a clean mixing bowl and start beating it on low speed. Your mixture is fairly hot now. All you need to do is bring it down to room temperature by slowly beating it. And also it's gonna double up in volume, and you gotta beat it till it holds stiff peaks. Change your whisk attachment to pedal attachment and start adding your butter little at a time. As you go, scrape down the ball, give it a good mix, and then start adding your butter and beating it again. Here I'm finished adding all of my butter and I'm beating it for an extra 1 minute or so. Add my vanilla in, scrape down the ball again, and again I'm beating it for about 2 minutes till it becomes smooth, shiny and glossy. And your Swiss meringue buttercream is ready. For the chocolate cake, add your butter to the mixing bowl and start beating it for about a minute till it doubles up in volume. Sprinkle in the sugar slowly, beat it well, then add your eggs one at a time, mixing well in between. Once your egg mixture is well combined and no sugar granules, we are going to fold in the flour. Mix cocoa powder, baking soda, and add that to the mixture, 1/3 of it. Beat it on low speed. You're going to alternate the flour and the hot milk, starting off with flour. Once everything is been added, stop the beater, gently fold in your batter and add the vanilla extract. Divide it into 3 baking pans. Bake it for about 40 minutes on 180. Time to assemble the cake, and before you start this step, you need to make sure your cake layers are well chilled give it about at least 4 hours to chill the cake layers, then you have a better outcome. Alright, we are done decorating this chocolate caramel cake. Do give it a try to make it at home, and I'll see you guys next week with another cake decorating video like this. Till then, take care.